Yeah, I'm up at Lake Michigan today, New Buffalo, Michigan. I was at Four Winds Casino. Earlier, lost my butt. I'm taking a little video up here while I'm up here. Christmas time video. Check it out, everybody. New Buffalo Harbor. New Buffalo, Michigan. 30 miles away from South Bend. Like I said, didn't do any good in the casino, so I'm taking a little video up this way. Pre-Christmas time video. Pre-Christmas video. Yep, I am. Check it out, everybody. Really didn't want to come up here. I was going to leave from the casino and head straight home to South Bend on US 12, but thought I'd go up here by the lake here. Show you guys what it's all about. Yep. Beautiful area. Well-to-do people up here. Chicago, you name it, they're up here. Athletes, movie stars, you name it. Here we are. Downtown New Buffalo, Michigan, Harbor Town. Go out to the lake here. Yeah, a lot of well-to-do people up this way. Chicago. All nice people, though. Getting over the bridge, over the channel there. The river channel. Get up over the hill here and we'll see Lake Michigan. Cold Lake, Michigan. The reason I went to the casino today, I normally go on Friday, but they're calling for a bad storm coming in Thursday night. Blizzard conditions, snow, colder than heck out, below 0 temperatures, and I came up to the casino today. Otherwise, I couldn't go, you know, I wouldn't be able to get up there. They're calling for rain tomorrow, mixed with snow, and tomorrow night's going to really get, temperatures are really going to dive. Super cold out. Blizzard conditions, too. Yep. Here we are. New Buffalo, Michigan. Yep, that's where we're at. Breakwater over there. Pretty green colored lake, you know, right now. Just check it out. I thought, what the heck, might as well come up here and take a video. Straight out that way is Chicago. Nice day and see the skyline. Of course, today it's cloudy out. Yeah, they're talking maybe up to 20 inches of snow up in Michigan here. Around South Bend, about around 10 inches, give or take. But super windy, blizzard conditions, whiteout conditions, and super cold. Yep, sure is, everybody. Get out of the car right now. Drop my phone on the ground, I'll be fine. Here's the harbor. Yep. Go harbor. Calm right now. They say calm before the storm, huh? Beautiful water, Lake Michigan, though. Sandy bottom, real clear. Really neat. Well, right out there is Chicago, Illinois. It's probably about, you're probably talking maybe 30 some miles from here. Maybe 35 miles from New Buffalo to Chicago. Skyline, downtown Chicago. Yep. Sand dunes around here too, you know. Oh yeah. Hard to believe Christmas is around the corner. Yeah, the kids were talking. We're not getting no snow this year, but they're gonna get snow. We're gonna get too much snow. Everybody, take care, okay? Take it easy. Have a good one. Merry Christmas to y'all. Happy New Year's.